What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. Hope you're doing good, especially this cold weather. It's cold in Nairobi. Wait. So before you watch this video, please make sure you support my channel by subscribing and leaving a sweet comment down in the comment section down below. And by the way, if you have a YouTube channel and you're also looking for subscribers just like me, comment with the link of your channel, and for sure I'll come to your channel, watch few videos, comment, and most importantly, I'll subscribe. Because subscription is the only way you can support, because it gives one motivation, seeing those numbers rise. Yeah. So let's get into today's video. Like I had been updating you, I was doing shopping for a chest strap for my GoPro camera, and I bought it on AliExpress, which is based in China, and they used SpeedUp as their courier. So SpeedUp updates you every step of the logistics, or how the product is moving from China to the airport, then to JKIA clearance forever. I'll take and by the way, you have not seen that video, please click on the link that will be on your top right corner. I will suggest the video there, link, watch the video on how to shop on AliExpress, then come to this video where my product arrived. This is my product. The product is here. Let me do the unboxing, because I haven't opened it. Then let me do the unboxing of the product and see if they delivered like exactly like as I had ordered. You remember those memes of what you receive or what you order? I don't want to experience that. Yeah, let's take these out. Here's the product. They came with this bubble wrap, and inside it they have a Ziploc bag. Let me open it. It's not something complicated, something small. Oh, some are falling off. It came with these accessories. The thumb screw to tighten the GoPro in place, the J hook, they call this the J hook because it stays like this, and now the strap itself. I've never used this, so I think this one is supposed to come at the front part with this. So let me try it on. Let me take this off. It's nice when you are doing action videos. You want to be like this. You're doing action videos, or you want to take a video where you don't want to attract the attention of people. So I think you're supposed to open it like that. So how am I supposed to put this on? Oh yeah, like this. Whoa. Well, how is this supposed? I think it's supposed to be like this. Then you take this other one. It's elastic, so it fits all sizes. Yeah, amazing. Now you can take action videos. Now be ready for village action videos, town videos. Now you come and play this one here. So here's how this one is supposed to come in. Okay, put that one in place, and now the camera will be right here like this. So I'll be walking like that and doing my videos, y'all. Yeah, that was the update. This is what I bought, and as you can see, AliExpress delivered. So if you are paranoid or you are afraid you might get the product which you did not order. I showed the video on how to shop. Let me take this one off. Okay, I would have placed the camera, but it's the one that I'm using to film. I don't have another camera. And okay, this one is plastic. Yeah, so that's how it is. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment anything in the comment section down below, whether it is a positive criticism or any comment. Write it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel, and I really appreciate. And let me see you in the next video. Peace.